Sandbox machine Cherry. IP address 10.10.10.95. So first we'll check its connection. Nmap for the port scanning, TCP port scanning. On the other side, we will also scan for the full enumeration of -a. So we have paused a bit for so that all the scan are completed. It is showing that port number 8080 is open, so we will check what's there in a web of this port, and it's Apache Tomcat version. So we found the Apache Tomcat default page there. Okay, so it's asking for authentication. We'll intercept it and see what is sending from the response as a response, and what we are getting as a response and sending as a request. Okay, so it's something weird. Let's see if I can check it in our decoder. It's saying something like bash 64. Let's check it. Okay, yes, it's bash 64. Username and password are sent there. Let's try some default password for Apache. Apache Tomcats 7.0.18. Oh, we got the GitHub site. I mostly prefer GitHub. Copying all the search and username so that we can get it into a format of that we show in decoder. It's bad thing. Let's change it first. Done. Okay. So when we saw it in decoder, then the space was absent. So we replace space with colon. Done. But there it is sent as a request in bash 64 format. So we'll go for the encoder. Done. Done. So we got all the encoded form of the username and passwords. We'll go for intruder. Set the position. set the payload, but we have directly encoded, so we'll deselect the encoding option at the last. Okay, all the payloads had been sent. So here we get the maximum length as 17345. We'll see what has been sent as a password and username here, as seen before in using decoder. Copied decoder. Oh, okay, now fine. So it was Tomcat colon S3 secret type. So we'll use this password and username here. Tomcat, and in password S3CRET. Okay, so we are logged in. Okay, what it's asking for, deploy var file. Okay, let's have a try. We can go for MS Venom here, so I'll basically prefer MS Venom cheat sheets. It make our work very easy. First one is good, I think. Searching for var, found. Okay, what happened? Okay, copied. We'll edit here like lhost and lport. As we know, lhost is 10.10.14.7. I checked before, and we'll set lhost as 4. Sorry, 4 times 4. It's making a payload here. Done. So we are good to go here. We'll try to upload that. It must be in home. Yeah, it's here. Shell.var. Done. Deploy. Where we can find that? Oh, we have found it. So yeah, we'll try to open it, but before that we'll set a listener. We'll using netcat for that. Port number 4 times 4 listening. Okay, now we'll try to open it. Okay, as soon as I open, I found the command shell of machine. Done. So we have to find now user and root flags here. Okay, searching for it. Basically, I have a habit of Linux, so every time I misuse ls here instead of directory dir. Again ls. Okay. Okay, seems we are at the wrong direction. Go back. Again back. Let's see administrator. Okay, desktop is here. Most of the time we found flags in desktop only. Flags directory here. Okay, we found here two for the price of one. Okay, so root and user flag both are here. So yeah, you can go and open that and you will find the flag. Thanks a lot.